Jail. A prison. For example, she spent a year in jail.
Joint. Involving two or more people together. For example, a joint account equals a bank account in the name of more than one person.
Judge.
Judge. A person in a court who has the authority to decide how criminals should be punished or to make legal decisions. For example, a high court judge.
Jump. An act of jumping. For example, to do a parachute jump.
Jurisdiction. The authority that an official organization has to make legal decisions about somebody/something. For example, jurisdiction over somebody/something.
Justify.
Justify. To show that somebody/something is right or reasonable. For example, justify doing something.
Kick. A movement with the foot or the leg, usually to hit something with the foot. For example, the first kick of the game. Kick. A movement with the foot or the leg, usually to hit something with the foot. For example, the first kick of the game.
Kidnap.
Kidnap. To take somebody away illegally and keep them as a prisoner, especially in order to get money or something else for returning them. For example, 2 businessmen have been kidnapped by terrorists.
Kidney.
Kidney. Either of the 2 organs in the body that remove waste products from the blood and produce urine. For example, a kidney infection.
Kill. To make somebody or something die. For example, kill somebody or something.
Killing.
Killing. An act of killing somebody deliberately. For example, their leader condemned the torture and killing of innocent civilians.